Good morning, class. How many of you have known or heard about Mexico? Good, good. Please raise your hand. Good. Do you know what Mexico City was called in ancient times? No? It was called Tenochtitlan, and it was where the Aztecs lived before 1500s. After conquering the Aztec nation, the Spanish changed its Aztec name through their influence to Mexico. Today, we're going to learn about an ancient city that influenced the Aztecs, Mayans, and Incas, and that city is called Teotihuacan. Now, with that context in mind, we will practice our evidence and close reading skills to think more like a historian. There are two documents we are studying and comparing. Document A, the Maya vessel, and document B, the Aztec Encyclopedia or Codex. You will identify and underline their vocabulary words and will then underline their names and places and finish the questions using what you've learned and the documents that have been given to you and your group for your peer discussion. Please finish these questions together and have them ready for our class discussion when we reconvene. When we reconvene, I will ask you questions that are focused on these documents and what you have learned. I will now model what I want you to do with your handouts. I'm going to help you by modeling what I want you to do. So let's start with document A, the Maya vessel. Is everybody ready? Great. I want you to underline the new vocabulary words, important names of places and things. As I read the document, I can see that Mark Zender is an anthropologist, and he has some key words on the subject of the vessel. I'll read the document carefully and write down what I think is significant. What does he write about the vessel that looks significant to you? Good, exactly right. These are the things to keep in mind when going over a document like this for your group discussion. Now, on to document B, the Aztec Encyclopedia or Codex. Is everybody ready? Okay, let's see. Document B, here we see that Tenochtitlan is mentioned as we spoke of Tenochtitlan earlier. So let's underline that. And class, who is Bernardo de Sahagun? That's right, he was a Spanish priest and he wrote the Florentine Codex or Aztec Encyclopedia. So we'll underline him and what he wrote. These are ways of sourcing or backing up your group answers to questions I might ask about the influence of Teotihuacan or Aztec or Mayan culture. Now let's get back into our groups and discuss these documents, and let's answer the questions I have handed out to your groups.